Hi everyone, let's learn how to fix Apple Watch walkie-talkie not working. Well, let me just show you. As you all know that in watch you will actually get your walkie-talkie into it. Here it is. You can very easily enable it and you can use it as your walkie-talkie. So, all the numbers are here. You can definitely start with that. And otherwise, if your walkie-talkie is not working into your Apple Watch, then you just need to restart your Apple Watch. Give a quick or a hard restart to your watch so that these kind of small glitches can get solved. Well, as you can see, here is our crown button, and under that here we have a black button onto that. Well, to restart it, you just need to press and hold these buttons simultaneously for maybe 3 to 4 seconds and wait for the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can easily release these buttons. Let's press and hold these. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds more, and then the Apple logo will appear here. Let's wait for it. Don't leave the buttons. It is definitely going to be done. So as you can see this Apple logo, now you can leave the buttons and wait for your Apple Watch to get started again. Then you can just simply enter the passcode and you start using your walkie-talkie into it. Let's wait for it to get open, because get started, because it's gonna be like take 15 to 20 seconds to just get started. So let's wait for it. I'll come back after it gets started. Well, while doing this process, you actually need to be a bit patient because it will maybe take more than 20 to 25 seconds, even more than 30 seconds as well. So you just need to be patient, be calm, and wait for your Apple Watch to get started. Don't feel like your watch just stuck on Apple logo or something like that. No, it is actually processing the thing so that what kind of small glitches you are facing into your Apple Watch, that will easily resolve it. As you can see, our Apple Watch has started. Enter the passcode and now you can very easily use any of the feature you want to use. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you and you will definitely get the idea how to solve it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos in future as well, and do share with your friends, family and relatives. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.